Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting in Outlook. So, if you want to schedule a meeting in Outlook, you want to go to the calendar in your Outlook, which is this icon right here. Maybe you have this bar on the bottom. It doesn't matter, just go to your calendar and then you want to click a new meeting in the home section right here. Maybe you don't have this ribbon right here. Maybe it is, you have this off like this one. So you want to just click home and click add a new meeting. And as you can see, there's a date of this meeting. Obviously, I'm not going to have a meeting in the past, so I need to change the date. So here you can adjust the date, to schedule the date. So let's say that I'm going to have a meeting on Monday and it's gonna last from 10 a.m. to maybe 11 a.m. So here in the title section, you can write the title of this meeting. So I'm just going to write example meeting. In the required section, you can add contacts that are required to be on this meeting. So let's say that I want to add this contact and also maybe the test group. You can also add groups to this contact, and in the optional you can send them that they are invited to this meeting but they are not required to be in this meeting. So let's say they for test only. Okay. You can add also a location. So let's say that I'm going to set New York, for example. Okay, and here you can write an email that will inform these contacts about the meeting, what should they bring in, or anything, just normal mail. After all of that setting, also you can select to the meeting would take all day, and even say that the different time zones. As you can see right here, you can select the different time zones. I'm not going to do this, and after all you just click send, and this is it. You have just scheduled a meeting in the Outlook. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.